We are going to speak about the Jamaican artists. All of you who have gotten signed international to all of these major labels, you may can fool some people sometime, but you cannot fool all the people all the time. I guarantee you, Jamaican superstars that got international signed, you are also signed to the brotherhood. You are also signed to the brotherhood. And I know you will not come and tell Jamaicans and tell your fans what went on behind closed door because you are very much ashamed and embarrassed to speak. So even though you come with your millions of dollars and your big bossy vehicle to show off how much you get rich in the business, what make you get rich? Did you get rich